Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open a Spend with Others account on Wise. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here in the top right corner, you just tap on the open button, and then under open account, you tap on Spend with Others. Here you can read all this that is written here, but you can just tap on Get Started. And here you can name your group, like family. You can invite members. You can choose a currency for this common pot. And then what this does is that whoever you invite to this group will be able to use the funds that are available in the group account. They can add money to it, they can see transactions, and they can pay with a digital card, but they won't be able to send money, as you can see here, withdraw money, convert money, or manage group and members. So it's a good thing to do with your family, for example. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.